Ready for an upgrade to a state-of-the-art flashlight that's brighter, with a more even light distribution in about 1 minute? No tools needed? That's right. Replacing the existing reflector with the Collimator lens means the end of that black spot and gives your flashlight an even light distribution across its range of focus. Plus, replacing that old filament bulb with a state-of-the-art LED gives you a brighter light that lasts longer and is more energy efficient. Here's how. First, replace the reflector. Unscrew the head. Then separate the face cap from the head. Be careful not to lose the O-ring. Then separate and put aside the existing reflector and the clear lens. Take your new Collimator lens and drop it into the head. Screw the face cap back onto the head. Next, let's replace the filament bulb with the high-performance LED. Unscrew the lamp retainer. Lift out the retainer and the filament bulb. And drop the LED into the slot which held the old bulb. Screw the lamp retainer to secure the LED. Last, screw the head back onto the body of the torch. The entire process should only take a minute or so. It's that easy.